Hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our level up series, and today our problem is palindrome pairs. So let us understand what the problem is stating. So in this problem, we will be given a vector of strings, or you can say a array of strings, and we need to find palindromic pairs for that. Now, what is a palindromic pair? A palindromic pair is a pair in which we will take two strings from the array and we will concatenate them. That is, we will join them. And if the combination forms a palindrome, now what is a palindrome? A string which is read alike from left or right. That is, from either you read it from the right or you reverse it and then read it, you will find it the same. So we need to find the pairs, or you can say we need to return the indices of which the words are forming after concatenation a palindrome. Now we need to return an array of palindrome pairs. Okay, so let us see by an example what this question actually means. Now, for example, in this A, B, C, D, D, C, B, A, LLS, S, and SSSL. So what they are doing, if this and this are combined, A, B, C, D, D, C, B, A, then they form a palindrome. Again, backwards also we can combine. Just a second. So like A, B, C, D, D, C, B, A, when I will perform A, B, C, D and then concatenate D, C, B, A, then it will form a palindrome. Similarly, I can have D, C, B, A, then A, B, C, D align. So it can have two palindromes. Index number 3 and 2 are also forming a palindrome. These are forming S, L, L, S. So like this, I can form a palindrome. Okay, so we got the question, we got the thing what we need to do. So the naive or the brute force approach can be, you take a string and then you check for all the corresponding strings. Can they, after concatenation, form a palindrome? For example, if I take ABCD and then I can check it with DCBA, LLS, SS, and triple S double L. So I can find that it forms a palindrome with DCBA. So likewise, I can return. So what will be the complexity in that way? In this case, the complexity will be n into n, where n is the total length, of characters. And then checking palindrome also will take a complexity. So it will be around n cube. So we have to do something to reduce it a bit. Now, by observation, we can realize one thing. Let us see. For example, if I take this case LLS and the second string as S. Now, what I know is that okay, so I need a corresponding palindromic string for this LLS. I am finding answer for this. So I can say that LL I know is already a palindrome. LL I know is already a palindrome. If I get a S, I have a S at the right. At right, I have a S. If I get a S here, and I can if I put it somehow here, then I can find then I got the answer. S, L, L, S. Let us take this example. S, S, S. Just a second. Let us take this example. Triple S, double L. I am finding answer for this. So I started finding. I said, okay, S is a palindrome, SS is a palindrome, triple S is also a palindrome. If I get a double L here, then, but double L is not available. So I checked for double S is also a palindrome. So double S, so if I get a S, L, L, You can say the reverse of SSL here in the right, in the left. My job is done and bingo, LLS is available. So can you find a pattern? Can you find a pattern that I have a string, okay, with let's say some x characters, and here are some characters, and here are some okay, here are some characters. So I find that these are already forming a palindrome. This is already forming a palindrome. Now, these are the elements which are not in a palindromic position. So if I get a reverse of these palindrome, I can apply them here. Or the reverse is also true. If I find it the palindromic numbers in the right hand side, so I can put the left out in left hand side. You can say that suffix. So if I find that my prefix is a palindrome, then I will try to find reverse of suffix in the yes. So what can I say about the algo? So if prefix is a palindrome, then I will find reverse of suffix so that I can place it on the left of prefix and can make the string complete string after concatenation a palindrome. That is the whole game. Yes, that is the whole game. And reverse is also true. If suffix is a palindrome, then I will find reverse of prefix in the given string. And if I find it, then then I will concatenate in the end, and that is my answer. So let us now see the code. So in order to find this, I will use a unordered map. Yes, I can use a hash map for this purpose. For what purpose? For finding the reverse. Is the reverse of the string available to me? So let us see. So I will use an unordered map, and then I will have it storing all the reversed strings and their key as their index. So yes. Then I will go through the entire words array. I will take the, for every word, I will take the prefix and I will take the suffix. I will take the prefix and I will take the suffix. Then I will try to find, whether, okay, so first of all, I will assume that what? I will assume that my prefix is a, my suffix is a palindrome, and I will find if re reverse word is present in prefix as a prefix. So if I get that, bingo, I have one of my answers. Same thing I will do with the prefix. So my suffix should be the palindrome and reverse of prefix should be available with me so that I can apply at the left hand. And simply I can push back the result into the answer. So this was the problem, guys. Is palindrome function is very, very simple. So yeah, this was the problem. Thank you so much, guys. Just in case you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much, guys. We shall see you next time.